A very good morning, Zimbabwe. My name is Ronald wekwamakusha welcome to African Beyond Television Network. Abatine chikurukura nyaya dziri kuitika mukati menyika yeZimbabwe. So addressing the people, President Emerson Mnangagwa pointed out a very important issue where he acknowledged that the bosses from the government of the Republic of Zimbabwe are very corrupt. He indeed acknowledged that, but the problem is that he can't act on them. So let us take a look on what he actually said during his speech.
In our discussion, it was very valuable for me. I don't know the others. Where my senior officers, given government vehicles, park them and deflate tires, and they use the pool car to wait for time to expire so that they can acquire the vehicle. Quite new. What if the workers discover that the boss's car is deflated, they're going to repair the wheel, and the boss is silent and quiet, deflates another. Meanwhile, he uses pool car because he knows at the end of 3, 4, 5 years he'll get the car in excellent condition, but at book value in terms of years, I'm also informed that there are lots of motor vehicles and furniture. My government office just put aside new furniture, brought in the old furniture, put aside motor vehicles, aside. All those assets are government assets, which must be disposed, and there is a law here. Anyway, we wake up every day. Like today, I'm very happy in this private discussion. Ladies and gentlemen, the importance of digital technologies to achieve standardization.
So, what is very important from what he said is that when you see that vehicle being parked, the boss is still collecting my coupons each and every time for that vehicle. So when the boss is supposed to use, let's say, he's supposed to use 1,000 liters per month, the boss is going to collect 1,000 liters each and every month for a parked vehicle. Secondly, what is happening is that the boss is now using allocated coupons for the pool vehicle, because each and every pool vehicle in allocated coupons are separate. It means the boss is now benefiting from the pool vehicle which he is using here, and then allocated fuel ndo aanenge akutengesa those coupons. So you would see Kuti, this is how they operate. And in most ministries, what he left is that they don't only take one pool vehicle. They have 2, 3 pool vehicles kudzimba dzavo. Mukadzi anenge achidriva pool vehicle, mwana anenge achidriva pool vehicle, iye anenge achidriva pool vehicle. All of them. So you see Kuti, nobody speaks against them because vanhu vese vakapinda basa vanenge vakapinzwa naiye, or vanenge vakapinda through iye, or vakapinda zvine chitsotsi mukati zvaanoziva. So nobody speaks out. And that is destroying Zimbabwe because the boss allocated coupons, he's misused those coupons, atengesa macoupons iwayo. Achauya kuti motikari yangu yakuda service ichabhadharwa achiita chitsotsi chavo because the service companies they are working together with companies vanenge vachisevhisa motikari idzodzo. So rinotouya service form zvonzi motikari yakaserviswa musi wakati bosi vokatirwa mari yavo. And that is destroying our institutions, that is destroying Zimbabwe. And we urge President Emerson Mnangagwa to act on this information because he is aware of it. But what is he doing? He's doing nothing. He's doing nothing as a leader. So we urge him to act on this information and make sure that these culprits are brought to book. We cannot continue like that. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. My name is Ronald Wekwamakusha. I just decided to bring this issue. President Mnangagwa raised it, and I just decided to comment on it. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for the support.